We just did some exhaust shit. About to get out of here. Check this out.
Good spirits.
Yo. You ready? Jump in, let's go. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, I had to put his tips on. Look at that. See it? Good? Looks good. Yeah. Yo! Hold on, come forward. Turn this way. Oh. Look, yeah, right there. Right, you got it. Damn, this truck is crazy. You see that red line he got? Yeah, that shit is crazy. Yo, I didn't expect him to do that. Yo, I thought he said that he was gonna go around and come back around. And go. Yo, when I was a kid, this house right here on the corner burned down. Right here. Look at where the fire station is at. Right here. Yo, I'm at INTRACK Tires. Look at this. Crazy, bro. I had to fix my car. My wheels are messed up. I gotta go to that show. Check this shit, yo. Crazy. Yeah, so we he's gonna change the valve stems and clean up the lip for me in there. We at INTRACK. Still. They got mad wheels here, bro. Everywhere. Just wheels everywhere. All over. Fire. Yo, I just found out why all these wheels are here at INTRACK, guy. Look at this. God damn, what? That's a bad bang. Yo, I just went there to get my car fixed. INTRACK Auto. It's in Hempstead. And it feels good. We're gonna go back to the shop and see what's going on there. I mixed down some video, so it'll be on my YouTube soon. And there's Lit right there. Lit Tire. If you ever need your tire fixed, that's Lit. And we're on the way back there. Check this out. Damn, you saw that BMW? Fire. The biggest flame of my whole entire life fly out of this guy's exhaust. Yo, if this flame comes out again, oh my god. That shit is crazy, bro. It was like 5 feet in the air. You missed it. It's gotta happen again. I'm telling you. Scraping the fuck. Look at this. Yo, right here, right here. I believe that. I've never seen nothing like that in my life. Like, I didn't even know that shit flames like that. That's so crazy, dude. I had no idea. I wonder if I'm leaking oil over here. Shit, I must have broke some shit. Yo, he shot flames. It's so crazy when he shot flames. Yo, he's giving me a parking spot. Yo, I got 3 cars though. It out here. It's so crazy. There's so many cars. It's so dope. Look at this seat. Bro. Fire. Slam, bro. No fucking Cobra. Yo, bro. Yo, bro, You can't call him a pro bro. You're not cold bro, you bro cold because you got knees. What up, yo?
That was good.
Park over there. It's beautiful. Yo.
You still need to get your exhaust welded, right? Right here, talking to the guy right now. You open on Sunday or no?
Sunday, no.
You're not keeping up with him, KMW, bro.
8 to 5. He'll be there at 5. If you want to come in the daytime,
you guys are open for ladies. These guys are welding at 5.
yeah, you can come through. Try to come through. Yo, it's crazy over here. Yo, some fire shit. The cops is out there. Cops is out, bro. This is fire. We're just gonna walk around real quick and then.
This side's kind of neat.
Huh?
I said that side's kind of neat.
I thought you were talking to me, bro. I thought he was with us.
Here's the fucking worst.
Yo, I thought that guy was with us, bro. He was like, oh, that side was pretty neat. I'm like, okay. Yo, you're not seeing this. BMW? Tricked me. Yo, this car is sick right here, bro. Yo, it's sick. We gotta get in front of